Hey, I'm Yankel, and today I'm coming at you with some love, talking about chocolate-covered bacon. So I'm gonna show you how to make it perfectly in 5 easy steps. Starting with step 1, the most important step of all. Take a moment and appreciate that we live in a world with chocolate and with bacon. All right, step 2. We're gonna make perfectly crispy bacon using my 6 steps to perfect bacon video. And when we're done, your bacon should look like this, crispy. Step 3, heading over to the microwave, the only time I use it, to melt some chocolate. Well, I had a whole complicated thing worked out, and then my genius kitchen manager, Emily, said, just put the chocolate in a jar, and that way we can dip the bacon in. So that's what I'm doing. Chocolate goes into a jar, as much as we can fit. Into the microwave, 30 seconds, then we stir, then 30 seconds more. If your microwave doesn't sing to you when it's done, try a new one. It's about half melted. Just give it a quick stir, make sure everything's submerged. Back in it goes. 30 more seconds. Chocolate is melted and warm. Time to dip our bacon for step 4. All right, we have our melted chocolate, our crispy bacon. We're gonna dip it in. This is step 4. And I'm just gonna pop it in there and just kinda roll it around. Now, with long pieces of bacon, I'm just getting the tip. So I might break that in half. In the meantime, I'm setting it down on a sill pad. If you don't have one of these rubber baking mats, you can use parchment paper or wax paper. They work equally well, and we're gonna pop it in the fridge for just a couple minutes to cool down. This second piece, I'm gonna break it in half, roll it around just like that, right onto our pad, etc. Gosh, chocolate covered bacon. If you want to make it fancy, how about some coarse sea salt? Or even some spices. A touch of cayenne that really might bring out some heat for your evening. We're gonna put that in the fridge for about 5 minutes just to let it cool down, and then we're on to step 5. Step 5, feed your delicious chocolate-covered bacon to your loved one while surrounded by falling rose petals and proclaim your everlasting love. If that doesn't taste like love, I don't know what does. On behalf of ButcherBox, happy Valentine's Day. I'm Yankel, see you next time.